Making different varieties of halwa is a very easy way to satisfy our sweet cravings. So today I thought of sharing with you all atta halwa recipe which takes less than half an hour. So let's go! Subscribe and stay with me on this journey. Let me know how you are spending your festival in the comment section below. Because I have one burner, I will make the sugar syrup first. For which, take 1.5 cup of water, that is 3 times the amount of atta. To it, add about little less than half cup of sugar. If you like it sweeter, you can increase the amount of sugar. And then add 2 cardamom pods. Remember to slightly break open the cardamom. Now let the water come to a rolling boil and all the sugar dissolves. We do not need any string consistency here. Once done, remove from heat. Next, melt about half cup of ghee in a pan. To it, add half cup of atta or wheat flour and start stirring. Make sure to constantly stir so that it doesn't burn. We need to stir until the color becomes slightly brown. The other way to know is you will see a smooth consistency like this. Once we are ready with the atta, we need to pour the sugar syrup. Be very careful as it will splutter. Remember, if the sugar syrup has cooled down while we were frying the atta, then heat it up quickly. Continuously stir to avoid any lumps. And see how quickly everything has come together. The halwa should start leaving the sides of the pan and your quick and easy halwa is ready. Garnish with some chopped almonds or raisins and take your bite. The short list of ingredients is also available in the description box below. Enjoy and happy Ganesh Chaturthi everyone. Bye for now.